Just a quick video on a bit of diagnostics that we do. So we've got a 2014 Seat Toledo, new trade customer. This is his first job for this garage. Call was in for engine management warning light on, DPF light on, and the ABS traction control light was also on. Not on at the minute, but it was on. What we've got, we'll show you. Number of engine faults. We've got manifold boost pressure sensor, intake air temp sensor, EGR sensor. We've created the mass airflow fault because we've got that disconnected at the minute. Cam sensor, crank sensor, DPF and intake air temp. Now, we're not replacing all these sensors. All these sensors are not faulty. The computer is not telling us that all these are faulty. But what we are interested in is this sensor reference voltage A. And what we've done, we've hooked up our multimeter, and we've got 0.3 volts on a 5 volt reference. We've just tapped into the fuel rail pressure sensor there, and we've got 0.3 of a volt. And what we're going to do is just confirm in the computer. We've got two 5 volt references, and as you can see, one's at 0.3 and one is at 4.9, quite close to 5 volt, and we've got 0.3. So we know we're on the 5 volt reference circuit that's got the issue. Now, we did follow a wiring diagram, and it's showing us a few sensors. We've got the boost control position sensor, rail pressure sensor, EGRs down the back, throttle intake, but what it didn't do was list all the sensors that were on it. Anyway, we've one by one disconnected them, and it is actually a full short to ground. So we've got our test light on the positive, it lights up on neg, and just touch it on here. There, it is a full short to ground, this. Surprisingly, this car did start and run. Not sure how, but I'll show you what we've found. So we've already pulled it out. We've got the boost sensor down at the bottom, and when we play with this sensor, it should. Is it gonna do it? Don't want to play ball now. We do get our 5 volt reference back. What we're going to do is disconnect this sensor. And I'm disconnecting it. There we go, 5 volt reference is back. And what we've found, we can see in here, we've got some green crusties, water intrusion in there, so it's shorting out between the two pins, which has caused our hard start and numerous fault codes. Obviously the 5 volt reference is shared across several sensors. So new boost sensor on this will sort that. Pins are nice and clean, no problem with the pins. And to finish this off, obviously we've got DPF pressure fault, so what we're going to do now is assess the DPF, see if it's blocked or not, and wrap it up on that one. Cheers guys.